Information about a new Omicron-specific vaccine was released today. It's currently in trials. Local 3's Elise Zwick spoke to a local doctor to learn what this could mean in the fight against the virus. Elise.
That's right, Cindy. The Omicron variant is the most transmissible strain of the virus we've seen yet. Experts say they hope virus breakthrough infections will be reduced with a vaccine targeting this strain.
When the spike protein gets very different from the original virus, that's when we get different amounts of infectivity and different rates of vaccine failure.
Dr. Carlos Baliero, the director of pulmonary medicine at CHI Memorial, says if you are getting exposed a second or third time, it's because of the changes in the spike protein. With the potential vaccine in clinical trials to focus on stopping the Omicron variant from infecting people, this vaccine could help future surges as well.
The difference is that, again, coronavirus mutates and changes so much, which is why we haven't had good vaccines for the common cold. One, because fortunately it's a milder disease, but a lot of those are caused by rhinoviruses, coronaviruses, and they mutate like this all the time.
The new clinical trials for the Omicron-specific vaccine will be divided in 3 main groups.
They're going to recruit people who had 2 doses of vaccine before, and then they're going to get 1 or 2 doses of the new vaccine. People who had the full series, including the booster, and they're going to get 1 or 2 doses. And people who are vaccine naive, they have not had any vaccine, so they're going to have the full series of the new, more Omicron-specific vaccine.
As the clinical trial works towards emergency use approval, the Omicron variant could be reduced like the Alpha and Beta strains were with the original mRNA, Pfizer, and BioNTech vaccines.
And if we have one more option for Omicron or whichever variant comes afterwards, or if Omicron remains the prevailing variant, so that vaccine will be very useful.
Dr. Baliero says those that do have access to the trial will be getting an early start on extra protection. And if you are not vaccinated in general, there is no time like the present. Reporting live in the studio, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.